management of hydrocephalus. Management of hydrocephalus. As you know, जो इसका treatment है that is the surgical treatment. That is the installation of shunting device is the surgical treatment of hydrocephalus. So in management, we have to give preoperative care as well as post-operative care. Preoperative care and post-operative care. First, you will see the preoperative care. We will discuss here only the main points. As you know, hydrocephalus एक ऐसी कंडीशन है दैट इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय एन एनलार्जमेंट ऑफ यंग वंस हेड. इसमें क्या होता है, जो चाइल्ड है उसका हेड एनलार्ज होता है ड्यू टू द एक्सेसिव सिक्रीशन ऑफ cerebrospinal fluid within the intracranial cavity. So head circumference should be measured. Head circumference should be measured daily. Head circumference should be measured daily. Another point is the vital signs should be monitored. Vital signs should be monitored. As you know, in hydrocephalus, there is alteration in vital signs such as there is increased blood pressure, decreased pulse and respiration. Also, vital signs should be monitored to detect increased ICP. ICP stands for intracranial pressure. Vital signs should be monitored as because of there is alteration in the vital signs. Also, vital signs are monitored to detect increased ICP, increased intracranial pressure. Another point is the adequate nutritious food should be provided to the patient. Adequate nutritious food should be provided to the patient. While feeding the patient, the children should be fed in semi-sitting position. While feeding the patient, the child should be fed in semi-sitting position. After feeding, the children should be placed on their right side with head elevated. चाइल्ड जो है उनको फीड कराना होता है, फेड कराना होता है इन सेमी सेटिंग पोजीशन में. उसके बाद आफ्टर फीडिंग जो ये चिल्ड्रंस है इनको रखना होता है ऑन दियर राइट साइड में विद हेड एलिवेटेड. किस लिए? टू प्रिवेंट एस्पायरेशन, ताकि एस्पायरेशन ना हो, टू प्रिवेंट एस्पायरेशन. ऑल्सो अनदर पॉइंट इज द pressure sores should be prevented. Pressure sores should be prevented by taking care of the skin and changing position. After every 2 hours. After every 2 hours. Pressure sore जो है that should be prevented by taking care of the skin and changing position after every 2 hours. Also, contractures should be prevented. Contractures should be prevented by physiotherapy. Another point is the eye care should be provided if eyes cannot be closed. Eye care. If eyes cannot be closed, eye care should be provided to the patient if eyes cannot be closed. Also, while turning these children, the head and the body should be 6 rotated together to prevent a strain on the neck. या हम क्या करते हैं, while turning the patient, a firm pillow जो है that should be kept under the head and shoulder to provide support while lifting these children. इनको support देना होता है, as you know head is enlarged, so इनको support देना होता है with a firm pillow से. Another one is that the parents should be provided with necessary support. Parents should be provided with necessary support and explained about the need for love and affection for their children. This is all about the pre-operative care. We have discussed only here the important points, main points. Now, the post-operative care. Post-operative care. As you know, post-operative care is that care which is given to the patient after surgery. Post-operative care में पहले ही क्या किया जाता है? Again, vital signs should be monitored. Again, vital signs should be monitored. In post-operative care, vital signs should be monitored after every 2 hours or frequently until the children is recovered from anesthesia and are stable. पोस्ट ऑपरेटिव केयर में फर्स्टली क्या किया जाता है? वाइटल साइंस आर अगेन मॉनिटर, और ये मॉनिटर किए जाते हैं आफ्टर एवरी 2 आवर्स और फ्रीक्वेंटली until the children जो है that are recovered from anesthesia and are stable. Also, जो mucus होता है and secretion that should be removed. Mucus and secretions should be removed from nose and air passage. Mucus and secretions should be removed from nose and air passage to help them in respiration. Also, another point, nasogastric drainage can prevent aspiration. Nasogastric drainage prevents aspiration. Oral hygiene. Another point is that oral hygiene should be maintained by taking care of the mouth to prevent dryness and infection. To prevent dryness and infection. Now the important point in post-operative care, that is to allow proper flow of CSF. To allow, this is the important point, to allow proper flow of CSF through the shunt. जो ये शंट होता है that should be pumped. Shunt should be pumped and children should be positioned as ordered by the surgeon. As you know, post ऑपरेटिव केयर हम दे रहे हैं पेशेंट को, इसमें क्या होती है? सर्जरी होती है, इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ शंटिंग डिवाइसेस यूज़ किए जाते हैं, इसमें शंट यूज़ किया होता है. सो हमें क्या करना होता है? केयर रखना होता है इस शंटिंग डिवाइसेस का ताकि प्रॉपर फ्लो हो सके सीएसएफ का. टू एलो प्रॉपर फ्लो ऑफ सीएसएफ थ्रू दिस शंट जो यूज़ किया होता है, चाहे वो वीपी शंट होगा या वीए शंट होता है, जो ये शंट है दैट शुड बी पंप्ड एंड ऑल्सो जो ये चिल्ड्रंस होते हैं दैट शुड बी पोजिशनड एज ऑर्डर्ड बाय द सर्जन. To pump the shunt, the valve should be compressed carefully for the specified number of times at regular intervals. Also, any difficulty in pumping that should be noted and informed the surgeon. In addition to this, special care should be taken to prevent the sore at the site of value. स्पेशल केयर देना होता है एट द साइट ऑफ द वैल्यू. ऑल्सो एक तो स्पेशल केयर देना होता है और पोजिशनिंग अवॉइड करनी होती है. अवॉइड पोजिशनिंग कहाँ पे? ऑन द एरिया ऑफ द वैल्यू. अवॉइड पोजिशनिंग ऑन द एरिया ऑफ वैल्यू और द इंसिजन एरिया, या जहाँ पे इंसिजन दिया होता है. until the incision is healed. जब तक ना incision heal up हो जाए तब तक चाइल्ड को वहाँ पे पोजीशन नहीं देनी होती है, उस एरिया में पोजीशन नहीं देनी होती है. So this point is the avoid positioning on the area of value or the incision area until the incision is healed. Also, fluid electrolyte and nutritional balance should be maintained. Fluid electrolyte and nutritional balance should be maintained. Oral feeding जो है that should be started as the children get recovered. Gradually उसके बाद जो ये feeding है that should be increased and high protein diet should be encouraged. Also parental advice में देनी होती है. parental advice देनी होती है जो parents होते हैं that should be explained about the specific precautions to be taken while giving care to the children at home. For example, the care of the shunt, symptoms of increased intracranial tension and follow-up. This is the management of hydrocephalus. This concludes the topic.